Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a crazy video for you guys today. This one's gonna change the game. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your vocals cut through the mix. All right, a lot of times the track might be balanced out right, but the vocals still, it sound a little muffled, they sound a little dark, they don't really cut through the mix. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that right now. All right, I won't even over talk it. Look, if you're struggling to get your vocals and your beat to balance out and get the vocals to sit inside of the beat every single time, check out my free course down below. It's gonna teach you how to get the vocals and the beat to balance out every time and really change your mixes. And it's completely free. It'll take you about 15 minutes. So check it out down below. Let's dive into the track. I'll play it back as it is.
Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches.
Cool. All right, you can hear the song sounds pretty cool. The vocals are clean. You can hear everything that he's saying, but I still feel like they're behind the beat a little bit. So the first thing we're gonna do is make sure the balance is right. So let's go ahead and pull up the mixer and see where everything is hitting at volume 1.
Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits.
Cool. So as you can hear, that balance did a lot, right? The vocal sounds a lot more present, a lot more alive and vibrant in the track, but it's still not quite right. So you want to know the secret? The reason your vocals don't cut is because you're not compressing them right. So listen to this vocal without compression, and you'll hear how inconsistent it sounds. So let's listen. I'm actually going to take off the parallel compression as well, so you'll really get a true idea of what this vocal sounds like, just kind of raw.
Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on.
And so what the first thing that most people would do is just turn the vocal up. And that's when you end up with vocals that sit on top of the beat and they don't mix in. Let me show you a better way. So we're gonna go over here to our lead bus. We're just gonna grab a compressor, any compressor you want. I'm using Slate. You can use Waves or Fab Filter or plugin line, whatever it is you like to use that. But this is just the technique. You need to compress the vocal. Let's get it.
Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living.
And as you can hear, the vocal didn't get louder, it just got more consistent. So we might have got a little bit louder, but we didn't just crank the volume, we just cranked the consistency. We just dialed in the consistency. We got the vocal to be more solid, meaning that it's not as peaky. There's not as many loud and quiet parts. The whole thing is consistent in volume. That's the main reason your vocals aren't cutting through. There's one step we can take it further. So let's do some sidechain compression with the beat.
Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business.
Bet. So here, let's go ahead and change the key input to our parallel compression bus. Turn on the side chain. I'm going to bring the threshold down to 10 just to get started, and then we'll mess with it as we listen.
Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to riches. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Dropping since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits.
Cool. I really like the way that sounds, but now I just feel like the entire track is just a little bit loose. So I'm just gonna grab one bus compressor and just add some compression to it. You saw me checking the loudness to see how loud the track was, and I think it's got good loudness, but I think it's a little bit too dynamic. So let's go ahead and control that a little bit. And I think we'll be pretty much where we wanna go.
Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Poppin' since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant.
And that's what I'm trying to show you guys, man. This is what, 5 minutes and like 3 plugins. I'm gonna take off what we did. We added this clipper. We also added this compressor here, and we added some compression to the lead vocal. Now I won't dial back the kind of balance things that we added in. Oh, let's also take off the side chain compression for the beat and the vocal, and let's listen.
Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Poppin' since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits.
Cool. Let's bring everything back that we did, and we'll see how it feels.
Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Poppin' since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Poppin' since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits.
Yeah, as you saw, I adjusted the volume just a little bit, but really we're just getting into the mix, man. If I spend another 10 or 15 minutes, we could really make this thing sound crazy. But look, these are the tips I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below. Remember, my name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this life I'm living. I done lost it all. I'm standing tall. They all call me lieutenant. Frontline, I'm gonna stand on business. Poppin' since that phantom tenant. Bulletproof the truck. I'm on the road trying to count a couple digits. Bitch, I'm on the road to bridges. You can't live this